You guys already ate your food? Already ate your food? You guys get so loud when you run out of food. So loud. Why you gotta be so loud? Run. Run away. I'm obviously gonna hurt you. Oh gosh, I probably should run away. Don't get me. Whew, I thought that was gonna get me with the skitters. I'm gonna go over here. Safe and sound. Bye. Hey folks, welcome back to Florida Food Forest. I hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for joining me today. There's my cha-cha coming back finally after 23 stupid degree weather. I should have moved that to a pot. I didn't. I'm going to try to protect it even more this year. I'm going to make a little tiny greenhouse around it. Try to protect that. Black turmeric, katuk. I was walking around and I saw this white sapote. Look at this white sapote. Would you just look at that? Look, it's trying to go and make fruits for me. Thank you very much, white sapote. I appreciate the effort, but you are far too small. That's pretty wild. See, this got absolutely destroyed when we hit 23 degree weather too, but it's come back with a vengeance, and now it's trying to put fruit on. I'm gonna try to protect this a lot better this year, especially if we're gonna hit 23 stupid degree weather here in the Florida Food Forest. I'm gonna try to protect it a lot better. But we're not here about white sapotes. I want to show you a Eugenia. I know I just showed you Eugenia, but hey, there's like 1,100 of them. So let's go check this one out. Go, go, go. All right, here is Eugenia Repanda. These guys are cool. Check it out. Oh, not if I block it from you. They get about 10 to 20 foot tall. But one of the things I really liked about them is, well, I got them from Bellamy trees, and they were thinking they can go down to 25 degrees. Now, I got down to 23 so far. Obviously, 23 is less than 25. But I think with the right protection, I can get these. I do have a couple microclimates that I've set up. But I think with the right protection, I should be able to keep these outside. I'm not planting them this year. Maybe not even next year. But I'm really excited for these. They get like a cherry-like fruit that is edible. And just like a lot of really cool Eugenia fruit trees, these guys come from Brazil. Cool place, man. I gotta check that out sometimes. We got some just peat moss, perlite, and hollytone mixed in here with it for now, so hopefully that helps it out quite a bit. But yeah, I gotta check out Brazil sometime. They got a lot of cool Eugenias that come out of there. Definitely want to check those out. I appreciate you watching. Give us a thumb up, please, and have an awesome day. Bye-bye. You're going to bring all that sand inside of the house and shake it loose. You're going to take all that sand inside. Elva, what are you doing up in there? Giant weirdo. She's a puppy dog. A little tiny puppy dog. I'll pay you. What's up, baby girl? What's up, baby girl? Hello. Say hi, my name is Elva. I'm a precious little angel. You are that. She's a good girl. There's the crazy dog. Crazy dog, new Nick. That's your face.